Welcome to another Loyal and Save training. In this session, we'll be covering how to create campaigns. Campaigns are used to push deals or token earning promotions which help drive up sales for a given set of products. To navigate to the Campaigns module, on the left side of the menu, click on Loyalty, Campaigns. To create a campaign, click on Add New. Under Open-Ended, we have three types of reward types: percentage per dollar value in tokens, static tokens, and tokens per dollar value in tokens. In this campaign, you can set the number of tokens the customer will earn for every dollar spent in the store. Token reward. In this section, you will set the number of tokens the customer will earn for every dollar spent in the store. Please note that tokens cannot exceed over 100. Per dollar amount. In this section, you will set the dollar required for the qualified items. Please note that the dollar amount cannot exceed over $1. Manage campaign filters. Campaign filters determine which products are eligible to trigger rewards. In our example, let's go ahead and select fishing reels as our department whitelist. Next, we're going to add a blacklisted item. This item will be excluded from earning any rewards. This concludes our training session for how to create campaigns. For more information, please visit loyalnsave.com.